Welcome to the YMD RX Provider Portal. This platform was designed to give healthcare providers a simple Amazon-style experience for ordering high-quality compounded medications and peptides for their patients. Through this platform, you gain access to hundreds of compounded medications, discounted wholesale provider pricing, legit script certified pharmacies across the United States, fast prescription processing and shipping. Everything is designed to make prescribing medications simple, compliant, and efficient. One important thing to understand is that the pricing listed inside the YMD RX platform is your wholesale provider price. This is not the price you charge your patients. Providers typically charge their patients using their EMR system, their clinic POS system, or a telehealth e-commerce platform. If you do not have a system set up yet, the YMD team can help build a telehealth or e-commerce platform that lists your medications and patient pricing. To begin, visit the YMD RX website at youthfulmd.pipelinemedical.com and click on Provider RX Portal. You will be directed to the YMD RX platform, where you can register for your free provider account. Registration only takes about 3 to 5 minutes to complete. In the top right corner, click Register to begin the onboarding process. Once completed, you will receive an email with your login credentials to access the platform. The registration process includes 6 short sections: your information, practice information, contact details, licensing, signature, final confirmation. Simply complete each section to verify your provider credentials. Next, you will enter your practice or clinic information, including practice name, practitioner name, shipping address. This ensures prescriptions are fulfilled correctly and shipped to the correct destination. Once your account is approved and activated, you will have instant access to the YMD RX dashboard. From here, you can search medications, browse available products, save medications you frequently prescribe, view orders and invoices. The platform is designed to make ordering medications extremely fast and simple. To begin ordering, simply search for the medication you would like to prescribe. You will see product details, wholesale provider pricing, availability, pharmacy information. Once selected, simply add the medication to your cart. After adding the medication to your cart, you will proceed to checkout. At checkout, the system will require patient information to generate the prescription order. At checkout, you will need to select the patient for the prescription. If the patient is new, simply click Add New Patient and enter the required patient information for the pharmacy to fulfill the prescription. You will also choose the shipping destination for the medication. You can select Ship to Patient for direct delivery to the patient's home, or Ship to Practice if the medication will be administered in your clinic. Once the patient information and shipping option are selected, continue to complete the prescription details. Next, you will enter the prescription details, including quantity, dosage instructions, method of injection, frequency, days of supply. This information will be transmitted directly to the pharmacy when the order is submitted. Before completing the order, you will see an order summary showing medication selected, quantity, shipping method, total price. Once everything looks correct, proceed to payment. Finally, enter your payment information. Once submitted, the prescription order is transmitted directly to the pharmacy. Orders are typically processed and shipped within 48 to 72 hours. You now have access to the YMD RX Provider Portal, designed to make prescribing compounded medications simple, efficient, and seamless for your practice. Through the YMD RX platform, providers can access hundreds of high-quality compounded medications and peptides from legit script-certified pharmacies across the United States. If you would like a quick walkthrough of the platform, help setting up your account, or assistance building an e-commerce or telehealth prescription platform, our team is here to help. Simply text our support team at 619-333-4991. Again, that number is 619-333-4991. When you text us, reply with one of the following keywords: demo to schedule a discovery call and platform walkthrough, e-commerce, to learn how we can help build a telehealth or e-commerce prescription platform for your clinic. Help if you need assistance setting up your YMD RX account. We look forward to helping you get started.